One of the things you probably want to do is add an image to your product page. In fact, having high-quality images can really help you get more sales. And this applies to digital products as well as physical products. Even if you're selling something like an ebook or an audio file, show a visual representation of that product. And if you don't have a cover or visual representation of some kind, it's probably worth paying a freelancer to design one for you. Or you can use tools like Canva to design one yourself. They have a whole library of book covers that you can purchase and then tweak. And this applies for every type of product: software, memberships, videos, etc. Get some sort of graphic. Now let's go to the admin and add it to our product page. I'll go back to the dashboard, downloads. There's our download. I'll click on edit here. I'll scroll down. And on the right-hand side, there is Set Download Image. And then we'll click Upload Files. And now we'll select one to upload. And before I upload it, there are two things I want to point out. The first is that images are an easy way to get an SEO boost. So before you upload your images, change the file name to something that makes sense, like building robot banner. Robot is something that someone might actually search for, so it might actually show up on a Google results page. This is much better than img-225.jpg. The second thing is that because of the way this theme and EDD in general display images, you want it to be more of a banner. You can see here that I'm basically uploading something at 1300 by 200. So if I click upload, it'll upload. It might take a second. And then just make sure we have the title, caption, and alt description set. Since the alt description is not set, I will copy this and paste it in there. That's again helpful for SEO. And now we can click Set Download Image. And there it is. If we go up to Update, we can update the product. And now let's take a look at the front end. So as I said before, the image is a banner across the top. Now this is somewhat dependent on the theme you're using, but this is the default way to display images in EDD. So unless you have an unusual theme, this is likely how your images are going to look. Unlike WooCommerce, which lets you upload multiple images, which is really useful for physical products to show the back of a product, for example, EDD only lets you upload one image. If you want to upload multiple images, there's a free plugin on WordPress.org that lets you do that. But for most digital products, you won't need this. There aren't too many options to move images around unless you can customize your theme with code. If you really don't like where this image is located, you can remove it from up here and embed it in the description. Let me show you how to do that. I'll go to Edit Download, and right here in the description, we can add something. Now, I don't think the banner is very good, so I'll upload a square image here. There's a nice square, or almost square image. I'll upload that. I'll make sure the title, caption, and alt description are set, and I'll click Insert Download. And I'll go ahead and align this to the right. We'll click Update, and we'll view the product. So this way, if you don't like the big banner up here, you can include a small image in your description. Whichever way you choose doesn't matter. Just make sure that you have something visual because it's so important to the user.